Hey, it's Patrick, and today I'm going to show you how to put Shad luggage racks and luggage on your adventure motorcycle. So no matter if you're taking a trip somewhere or if you just want some more storage space for around town, this is a great upgrade for your motorcycle. Now for today's install, we're going to be using a Triumph Tiger 900 Rally, but for most adventure bikes, this is going to be a very similar install. All the tools you're going to need, we're going to list in the description below, and now we need to get to work. So let's take a 12mm socket, we're going to pull out a couple of bolts underneath our handrail, take off our rear seat, and get to work. So now we need to take this plastic panel off, take these Allens out, which is a 4mm Allen, and that'll give us access to our 12mm bolts. Then we need a 12mm wrench to hold the back side of this. We'll take a 12mm socket and we'll pull both of these bolts out. God damn. So now we need to take a T40 Torx and take out just this upper bolt out of our passenger peg mount. So this is the bracket for the right side of our bike. This part here in my right hand will be facing forward. We have an M8x100 screw going through there with our 18mm spacer. On the back side of that, on the inside of our subframe, we have a washer and a lock nut. On the other end, we have an M8x85 screw and a 22mm spacer, same washer and lock nut. We need a 6mm Allen and a 13mm wrench to put these on. Front one. The front bolt is actually going to be a 5mm with the same 13mm wrench. So now we're going to bolt our actual bag bracket onto the bracket we just installed on the bike. Up on the top, we have two M8x25 screws with washers and a lock nut and a washer that will go on the back side of the bracket that's on the motorcycle. Down here, on the foot peg mount, where we took that screw out, we're gonna have an M8x70 screw with the washer and a lock nut and a 33mm spacer that goes on, and that just bolts right to the frame. So for the left side of the bike, our bracket installation is going to be exactly the same as the right side of the bike. We're going to pull out the same bolts, put the same bracket on with the same spacing and the same hardware. The only difference is we're going to take the passenger peg completely off this time. So we're going to take the whole passenger peg mount off, but we need to reuse these two screws. We've gotten rid of all the other ones. These two we're actually going to reuse. So now it's time to put the actual bag bracket on, and the top of it is just like the other side. We're going to take two M8x25 screws, put washers on them, drop them to the bracket. They're going to attach with a lock nut and a washer on either side. We're going to go ahead and just snug those up. We're not going to make them tight just yet before we move down to our passenger peg. So we're going to reuse our two bolts for our passenger peg, but we're going to add the lock washers that came in the kit. When we mount this, the top part of the peg bracket is going to sandwich the bag bracket. The bottom part is going to get the small spacer that came in the kit. It's going to go between the bracket and the subframe. So now we've got to put our support bracket on. It only goes on one way. You're going to use the remaining M6 screws, lock nuts, and washers. We're going to put it right on the back, just like this. You're going to need a 4mm Allen and a 10mm wrench. After that, we're going to put our plastic tray back in the subframe, throw our seats back on, and we'll be ready for bags. At this point, we just need the key for our locks and we can snap our bags on. Just like that, in a short afternoon, we've added a bunch of storage to our motorcycle with so much more room for activities. If you're looking for more information about these bags, go ahead and click that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That's going to take you to the product detail page where you can read other riders' reviews and more specs about this luggage. If you still have questions, go ahead and reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Go work on those motorcycles.